Liang Xuan Printing Iron Canning Co. Limited is located in Liang. It is a professional manufacturer of printing iron, canning and aerosol filling. Since its establishment, adhering to the people-oriented development strategy, attaching importance to scientific and technological innovation, strengthening internal management, establishing a series of rules and regulations that meet the management, operation and production requirements of modern enterprises, and obtaining safety, environmental protection and industrial licenses, certificates and other qualification certificates. The company has two fully automatic Fuji printing iron production lines, for fully automatic canning production lines, and 10 filling production lines. The annual output is 200 million metal cans and 100 million aerosols. The products include more than 90 varieties of insecticide aerosols, household cleaning products, car care products, hand-sprayed paints, mosquito incense, electric mosquito incense, etc. It has shaped a high-end own brand based on Gunbo, Gunwai, Kang Sibin, and Chilabao. It has realized a one-stop service for customers from printing iron, one canning, one filling, one storage and one logistics. The company has always adhered to the corporate principle of benevolence, love, and the business philosophy of win-win. In order to meet customer needs as the core, constantly pioneer, innovate technology, and provide customers with high-quality and cost-effective products and services. We sincerely welcome customers at home and abroad to negotiate cooperation and seek common development.